What's good, yo? It's your boy Jungle Man here. Your boy's back at it again with another reaction. You feel me? So look, man. It's been a minute since I reacted to this dude, this guy, my guy. You feel me? Big Bird, the Easterner. You feel me? So look, he dropped a song a couple weeks ago. It's called "Letter to Aung San Suu Kyi." I know who she is, but I don't know what he's gonna say, or you know, in the song and shit. I don't know shit about politics. So let's see what he's talking about, man. Letter to Aung San Suu Kyi. Let's get it then, man. Big Bird talking shit. Let's go. Big Bird. Letter to Aung San Suu Kyi.
When you are assessing the intent of those who attempted to deal with the rebellion, genocidal intent cannot be the only hypothesis. If war crimes have been committed by members of Myanmar's defense services, they will be prosecuted through our military justice system in accordance with Myanmar's constitution.
Dear Suji, I'm writing this letter to you with my honesty. Was I thought you stand for us and fight for true democracy. I thought we share the same suffering and fight against the same enemy, the public's military regime. But now when you betray us and turn yourself into a curse in the sky, when you stand for regime that committed genocide, journalists that loved out the critics and paying no respect to international community. The Muslim was slaughtered, they live in fear and systematic.
Oh damn, bro. Yo, that's too graphic for me, bro. You gotta chill. That's too graphic. See, like, yo, look, when it comes to politics and shit, they be going ham at each other, bro. It's like, there's like no peace. You feel me? Like he said, bro. Like, where's the love? Where's the loyalty? You feel me? But yeah, bro. He say like, pretty much he just. Alright, let's get.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Alright, bro, man expressing his feelings, you feel me? It's like, it's pretty much just like writing his diary to Aung San Suu Kyi and shit. It's dope, man, but the hurt kind of cringy though, you feel me? What about love? That's kind of more like pop vibes, feel me? But it's cool though, it's cool, you feel me? So, I talking shit, bro. Talking shit, I ain't got nothing to say. But you feel me? It's like, let's go. Yeah. Bro, that's a factor, bro. It's been like how many years? Like more, like over 72 years since we'll be like, you know, going through this war shit. But stay strong, man. Never surrender, you feel me? But Uji, let's get it.
Legislature is guaranteed the military is veto power. You can't even make any constitution amendment that requires more than 75% support from the parliament. In 2020 election, you still want the people to vote you again. Sorry, we can never trust you twice. The election will never bring a justice, and that's for mandatory constitutionalists and police. You might win election for 1,000 times, but you can't bring democracy because you're afraid of me.
Alright, bro, so look, from what I'm understanding, pretty much he's saying is they voted for her back in, I think 08 or 12, like 2012. She set up all the rules and things that she's gonna change all these rules and then, like, you know, like make Burma a better place. But she had like from the past 5 years since she got elected, like she didn't do shit. That's what he's saying. Like, you know, she's still scared of, like, you know, the military. So, and he's saying like, yo, you asking us to vote for you again, but you ain't doing shit. Nah, we ain't trusting you no more, no more. That's what he's saying, bro. We ain't trusting you no more. So, alright then, man. Let's go. Alright, bro. He said, you talk about democracy, loyalty, whatever, and this and that. What about love? You feel me? It's cool, bro. It's cool. Like, I find it a little cringy, bro. Like the hug, it's a good, like, little cringy, but okay. A little, you know, poppy vibe. Let's go. Right here, bro. This is like tough, bro. Like, my people gotta flee on their feet. You feel me? Like, bro, this is what, like, our parents have to go through. And, like, for y'all kids don't know what your parents gotta go through, like, y'all better appreciate them, bro. Like, it was tough back then, still is, but we made it out, man. Like, we made it out. Now it's time for us to show love, like, to give back and shit. But do it in your way. Doesn't have to be like money, whatever. Do it in your way. Do what you can. You feel me? So that's all about, bro. Like, show the world who we are, what we all about in this shit. Creme blood. You feel me? Tweaking y'all, all that shit. Gang. You dig? Let's go, man. Big Bird. Alright, man, so that was Big Bird, letter to Aung San Suu Kyi, official music video. That was dope. The lyrics is dope, man, but the hook I find a little cringy, but it's all good, it's all love, cause the meaning behind it is positive, so I fuck with it. Yeah, man, Big Bird, you do your thing. Why it's not on your channel though? That's the thing, and that's what I'm asking, bro. But maybe what is it? Lakeler Media Production shot it, so he wanted some on his channel, so I feel it. Alright, bro. So look, as I said, bro, you may know nothing about politics, but I know what we've been going. I know what our current people have been going through, so I ain't gonna touch no sensitive topics. So that's all I'm gonna say for now. K for life, you feel me? That's it, man. That's it, dog. Your boys outie. Alright, bro, but before you guys go, I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. What is you doing, bro? It's free. Hit that button, bro. Hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell notification so you know when I'm uploading. You feel me? So, yep, man. Your boy Saudi. Alright, bro. Your boys. I'm done. I'm out. Peace.